Avoid sandworm in Dune. In today's video, we are going to learn how to avoid sandworm in Dune. So let's get started. Always travel between rocky areas or islands, not across open sand. Watch for sand trails and listen for rumbling sounds. Signs a worm is nearby. If the vibration meter turns red, keep moving and commit to crossing. Avoid drum sand, for example red sand, because it makes extra noise and attracts worms. Move crouched to reduce vibration. Do not sprint until necessary. Sandbikes help with faster travel, but they can still get caught. Use boosters wisely and avoid rough terrain. A thopter is safest way to travel long distance since it flies above the sand. Before crossing, scout your route for worms and sand trails. If a worm reaches near you, run straight to rocky ground to escape. And that's how you will be able to avoid sandworm in Dune. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.